Power through metal fastening jobs with speed and precision using modern cordless tools designed for durability, comfort, and efficiency in workshops, garages, and job sites alike. Best cordless electric rivet gun delivers reliable performance, strong pull force, and portability every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Mayoki 2248 LBF Electric Rivet Gun. The Mayoki 2248 LBF Electric Rivet Gun stands out as a high-performance cordless solution built for demanding fastening tasks. Designed for compatibility with DEWALT 20V and 60V batteries, it offers flexibility for users already invested in that platform, though the battery and charger are sold separately. Its brushless motor is a major strength, delivering up to 2,248 lbf of pulling force and a 0.79-inch stroke length, making it capable of handling tough materials like stainless steel with consistent efficiency. This power translates into impressive productivity, as it can pull over 2,200 rivets on a single 4.0Ah battery, ideal for extended work sessions. The tool supports a wide range of rivet sizes including 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch, and switching between nose pieces is quick and straightforward with the included wrench. Ease of use is further enhanced by its automatic riveting and reverse functions. Number 2. Milwaukee M12 Electric Rivet Gun. The Milwaukee M12 Electric Rivet Gun is a compact yet capable tool designed for users who prioritize portability, without sacrificing performance. Operating on the M12 battery platform, it delivers consistent power while maintaining a lightweight and ergonomic design, making it comfortable for prolonged use in tight or overhead spaces. This rivet tool supports multiple rivet sizes ranging from 3/32 inch to 3/16 inch, covering most common fastening needs in both professional and DIY applications. One of its standout features is the ability to pull up to 450 and 1/8 inches steel rivets per charge, which ensures reliable productivity for small to medium tasks. The tool is engineered for simplicity, with intuitive controls that make it easy to operate even for beginners. Its durable construction reflects Milwaukee's reputation for quality, providing confidence in long-term use under demanding conditions. While it may not match the raw pulling force of larger models, it's. Number 3. DEWALT DCF 403B Electric Rivet Gun. The DEWALT DCF 403B Electric Rivet Gun is engineered for job site efficiency and professional-grade performance. Powered by a robust brushless motor, it delivers up to 2,100 lbf of pulling force, allowing it to handle aluminum, steel, and stainless steel blind rivets with ease. One of its key advantages is productivity, with the ability to install up to 800 rivets per charge, reducing downtime and increasing workflow efficiency. The tool is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a tool-free nose change system and onboard storage for nose pieces, ensuring quick adjustments on the go. It accommodates a wide range of rivet sizes, including 3/32 inch, 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch, making it versatile for various applications. The 0.98-inch stroke length enables single-stroke fastening, improving speed and consistency during repetitive tasks. Additionally, the onboard mandrel collector helps keep the workspace clean by storing spent. Number 4. Dufuls Cordless Electric Rivet Gun. The Dufuls Cordless Electric Rivet Gun offers a practical and versatile solution for users seeking efficient riveting performance with straightforward operation. Its one-button forward and reverse switching system simplifies the entire process, allowing the tool to automatically complete riveting, nail breaking, and retraction with minimal effort. This feature is particularly useful for beginners or those looking to streamline repetitive tasks. The tool supports multiple rivet sizes, including 1/8 inch, 5/32 inch, and 3/16 inch, and works with stainless steel, and aluminum rivets, making it suitable for a wide range of applications such as construction, HVAC work, RV repairs, and DIY projects. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures improved efficiency, reduced noise, and longer lifespan compared to traditional brushed motors. The absence of sparks and lower operating temperatures add an extra layer of safety and reliability. Number 5. Labfintom 18-volt Electric Rivet Gun. The Labfintom 18-volt electric rivet gun is specifically designed as a rivet nut tool, making it a specialized option for users working with threaded inserts rather than standard rivets. Compatible with Milwaukee 18V batteries, it offers convenience for those already using that ecosystem, eliminating the need for additional power sources. Its brushless motor provides smooth and stable performance, ensuring precise installation across different nut sizes such as 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8. The adjustable tension settings allow users to fine-tune the tool based on the specific nut size, helping prevent over-tightening or loosening during installation. A notable feature is its dual-mode operation, including auto mode for fast, repetitive tasks and manual mode for greater control in detailed applications. The built-in memory function retains previous settings, improving efficiency during repeated use. While it is not suitable for standard rivets, its dedicated design ensures optimal performance for rivet nut. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.